Key equipment testing of the complete set of rock sugar processing machines. Sugar boiling pot, concentration pot, test the heating system's heating rate, temperature control accuracy usually controlled at 60 到80度 or higher, depending on the process, and the smoothness of the stirring devices. Operation. Vacuum system, test the pumping rate of the vacuum pump and the high vacuum degree that the system can achieve, and check the sealing performance of the pipelines. Crystallization tank, test the frequency of the swinging mechanism such as 6 到8 times per minute as required by the single crystal rock sugar process and the amplitude to ensure smooth operation without abnormal noise. Centrifuge, test whether the startup, operation and breaking processes are smooth, and check the honey separation effect. Drying equipment. Test the hot air circulation system to ensure uniform temperature inside the drying room, usually set at 60到70度, and the wind speed is adjustable 0.5到1.5米每秒. After the single machine of the rock sugar processing equipment is debugged and qualified, the entire line is linked to simulate the actual production conditions and test the coordination among the equipment and the overall operation effect. No load linkage, without feeding materials. Start the entire production line to check whether the logic of material conveying, valve opening and closing, signal transmission, etc.